Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my blueberry pie. So let's get started. My son and daughter just got done from picking blueberries, so I'm going to make a blueberry pie for this weekend. So I rinse these blueberries. I have more to clean. I have one ready-made pie crust. I put a little flour on the bottom. I have my oven on 350. I'll put a little sugar on the bottom. So I just placed enough sugar on the bottom to coat the bottom of this pie crust. Now I'll place my blueberries in. Spread them around. Now I'll go get the rest of the blueberries and clean them. If I see any stems on the blueberries, I pick them off. So now I'll pour the rest of the blueberries in. I'll do a little at a time. Oh, see, here's one. As I'm pouring the blueberries in, I'm spreading them out. I'll put a little sugar on top. Between the sugar on the bottom and the sugar I poured in here, it was only 1/4 of a cup so far that I used. So now I'll pour the rest of the blueberries on top. I'm watching for stems. I see a few. Spread it out. Oh, I see a leaf. I have a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'll just spread it around. Now I'll sprinkle some more sugar on top. I have 1/3 of a cup. You can make your own pie crust or buy store-bought. It was quicker for me to buy the store-bought. I'll roll it out. I'll cut my pie crust into lattice work, and then I'll place it on top of the blueberries. What I'm going to do is take a fork and press it down. I also cut off any excess pie shell around the whole pie. And that's what it looks like when it's done. You can see all the fork marks that I did. And I cut off any excess around the edges. So now I'll get some egg wash and put that on top. I have 1 egg and a little bit of water, about a teaspoon. I mixed it. So now I'll take my brush and put it on top. Now that the egg wash is all on top, I'm going to take a tablespoon of sugar and sprinkle that on top. Now I'll place this in my 350-degree oven, and after 30 minutes I'm going to check on it. So into the oven it goes. I checked on my pie at 30 minutes and it still wasn't done. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at how nice and golden brown that crust turned out. It's been an hour, so now I'll check on my pie. Oh yeah, that looks good. So now I'll take it out. Oh yeah, that looks really good. So now to let this cool, and then I'll bring it over to my son and daughter-in-law's house. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.